Here's how to convert Google AI Studio to APK in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you what actually works so you don't waste time trying methods that won't run properly on your phone. First, it's important to understand one key thing. Google AI Studio is a web-based platform, not a native mobile app. That means you can't directly convert it into a true APK file the same way you would with a regular app. So if you've been searching for a simple Convert to APK button, that's why it doesn't exist. What does work is creating an app-like version that runs on your phone. The easiest method is using a browser. Open Google AI Studio in your mobile browser, then look for the option to add a page to your home screen. Once you do that, it creates a shortcut that behaves like an app. When you open it, it launches in full screen mode and feels similar to a native application. Another option is using a web-to-app tool. These tools take a website and wrap it into an installable file. The process is simple. First, copy the Google AI Studio link. Second, paste it into the web-to-app tool. Third, generate the APK file and install it on your device. This creates a basic app version that loads the same web experience inside it. However, it's important to manage expectations. These methods don't run the platform into a fully offline app. It still relies on an internet connection and behaves like a web service inside an app shell. Performance will depend on your device and connection. If your goal is quick access, the browser shortcut method is usually the safest and fastest option. It requires no downloads, works instantly, and avoids compatibility issues. The APK method can be useful if you want a more app-like feel, but it depends on the tool you use and may not always be stable. To get the best results, keep your browser updated and use a stable internet connection. This helps the platform run smoothly whether you're using it through a shortcut or an APK wrapper. By following these steps, you can use Google AI Studio on your phone in a way that feels like an app without relying on methods that don't actually work. Instead of trying to convert something that isn't designed for APK, you're using practical solutions that give you quick and reliable access.